What's not to love about tiny vans? This is the smallest one that we've ever done. It's even smaller than the Transporter we did last time. It's a Mercedes Vito and we've made it a complete transformation. This is such a cozy little setup. I absolutely love it. I love all the little bits of wood that all work together. I love the tiny little single table for eating. You can basically reach everything just from here. Have your dog down there. Absolutely love it. Brilliant. This is a really compact kitchen, 2-bay small kitchen with just a small water setup in there and then a bit of room just to do some prep on it as well. Come and look at this detail here. This shelf that we've made, but to hide all the fixings, we've got little shrouds that cover it up. We've got nicely cut out ash ceiling batten around it. Fiddle rail, I love that name, that's put on here. And because of everything in this van is kind of weirdly curved and the ceiling goes like this, the walls go like this, even though this shelf is quite simple, if you look at it, it's had to fit in with some crazy angles all around just to make it actually work. So we've got a garage space under here, which even though it's a small van and this is quite low down, you've still got quite a lot of storage around here. We've got the electric system here, which is a 110 amp hour lithium battery with solar controller. Even though it's tiny, we've got a tiny little compost toilet in here as well. When you want to use it, you take it out and use it and then get it away and forget about it. So two things I've noticed that are completely unplanned. This almost does a cute little outside bar. Second thing I've noticed, completely unintentionally, me and the van have dressed exactly the same today. That's probably a product of the environment of working on one van at a time for a couple of months. We look good.